How to create a LinkedIn account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. And I'll teach you guys how you can create a LinkedIn account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have the LinkedIn app. After you do that, you can open up LinkedIn. And after you open it up, you will see an option to agree and join. You can continue with Apple or you can continue with Google. After you find whichever you want to do so, tap on it. I'll just continue with Google. Tap on continue. After you tap on continue, now you will need to set up your profile. Simply choose your location and then choose your recent job title and your recent company. After you choose all of that, you can simply tap on next. If you're a student, you can tap on I'm a student as well and then tap on next. After you tap on next, now you will need to choose a photo. You can do that later if you want to. And after you tap on continue, it will take you to another page. Now this is if you are available for working. So if you're looking for a job, you can select that or you can select whichever suits you the best. Tap on next. And here you can simply add your job titles, you can add your job locations and many more. So tap on continue, and then you can simply go through this. You can skim through all of this. You can finish this. You can follow different companies that might interest you. And then there you go. This is how you can create a LinkedIn account, guys. And that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.